Is it morning already? Wow! Look at the snow! Mom! Dad! Wake up now!
It is too early for me.
Eat your breakfast first.
We need warm clothes today.
This jacket is very soft.
My zipper is stuck!
There, now you are ready.
Cover your hands, please.
Feel that cold air.
The ground is so deep.
It is beautiful out here.
I will make a ball.
You missed me.
This photo is perfect. Let's build a snowman.
It is getting heavy now. Here is a nose, eyes.
He looks very happy.
Whew. Now he has arms.
He needs to stay warm too.
Yes! I want to go fast!
Be careful.
Huh?
Go, go, go! Woohoo!
That was so fun! Mom, don't let me fall!
We are spinning! We crashed!
Up you go.
Look, I am an angel. It has wings like a bird. Ooh, ooh.
You are covered in white.
The sun is setting.
I am freezing now.
Ooh, let's go inside to warm up.
Home sweet home.
My toes are cold.
Take off your wet shoes here.
It feels good to be inside.
My hands are ice blocks.
Sit by the fire.
This Mmm. Is so nice.
I will make a special drink. Who likes chocolate?
Careful. It is very hot.
Mine looks fancy. You have a mustache.
You are a messy drinker.
Look, it is night now.
I am sleepy now.
More snow will come tomorrow.